how to enable or disable show audio transcriptions on iPhone X. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to accessibility. In accessibility, scroll down again, and here in hearing section, you can see the subtitles and captioning. Okay, go to this. In subtitle and captioning, you can see here the show audio transcription. And the show audio transcription is disabled. To enable this, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And the pop-up appears. Okay, now tap the enable dictation. If this enable show audio transcription for announcements for HomePod. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enable, and to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled or disable show audio transcriptions on iPhone X.